Let's move away from the table and teach functional skills that will help everybody learn them for life. Freeze dance is such a great way to teach self-control and reinforce following direction goals. Play some music for a minute, let the kids dance, and then yell out, freeze! When you say freeze, all the children should freeze. This will be challenging at first for them to follow the directions, but keep playing and they will learn to freeze when you say freeze. Musical chairs is a great way to teach task initiation and attention skills. What you do is you set up the chairs in a line and let the children walk around them. When the music stops, they must find a chair quickly or they'll be out. Simon Says can be used to help with attention skills and teach leadership skills. Make sure that you rotate the people being Simon. Role-playing is a great tool to use for imagination, flexibility, as well as imitation skills. You can really role-play whatever scene you'd like. Keep the Story Going is such a creative way to practice flexibility, attention, and imagination skills. You can play this one-on-one or play it in a group. Start with a sentence that's creative and let the rest of the group members add sentences to it for a fun story. Follow for more great ideas on games that you can play to enhance and teach executive functioning skills with your clients.